Welcome back, guys. Hi, I am Ankit. I am a design engineer and an affiliate marketer. Today, I am going to talk about customers' value journey. That how customers' value journey is important while doing a sale. Customers' value journey is a roadmap, or should I say roadmap, in which we have to provide values to the customer. More than more we provide value to the customer, our relationship with him or her will develop more faster, more stronger. The bond between us become stronger. In customer value journey, we have to provide more and more value to the customer. It starts with the inquiry and end up with the sale. But between that, whatever we do, that's called customer value journey. So there are three levels in customer value journey. Number 1, level A. Number 2, level B. And number 3, level C. In level A, that is the first level, in which customer is at the present stage. Customer just start inquiry about you, about your product. It means what is the today's condition of the customer. That's the level of the customer at level 1, or should I say level A. Level C. Level C is that level where customers want to reach his dream, his destination, his total problem solved condition. Customer value journey is a journey from level A to level C, from inquiry to problem solved. Now, between A and B, there is a second level, that is level B, which is the most important part, or should I say level of the journey. We have to give our extra effort while come from level A to level B. At level A, customer ask about the inquiry about us or about the product, that's only. But from level A to level B, but before this, we need to listen the customer, because unless or until we don't listen to the customer, then how we get to know that what kind of problem that customer is facing. So listening is the most important part while doing the sale. Listen the customer first and then you should speak. So after listening him or her, you got to know that what is his or her problem. So after that, from level A to get the customer to the level B, you have to do one thing: provide values to him or her, provide solution of their problem free of cost. Why I am saying this? Because when you provide solution of their problem, then they start trust on you. There is a relationship building start between you and your customer. At till level B, you have to provide solution of their problems of 20% problem. You have to provide solution to the customer of their 20% problem. Once you solve their 20% problem, they start believing in you, they start trusting you. Once they are doing this, then they believe that you are the right man in which we are talking, to which we are talking. So now the journey from level A to level B completed. Now it's time to level C. Once the customer reached at level B, then to the level C it is very easy way, because When he or she start believing you, then whatever you say about your product, that how your product will help him or her in the future, he will believe, because you built a rapport, you built a trust factor between both of you. So at level C, you have to realize to the customer what his or her dreams, goals, long term perspectives, and total problem solution to him or her. And at the end, you have to introduce your product, so that, and tell them that how your product or service will help them to reach out their goals, their dreams, and how your product will solve their problems. So from level A to level C, this is what customer value journey is. Now I am going to take my example. I am an affiliate marketer, and I'm willing to earn money online, and I want people to earn money online as well. So what I do, I help them to make money online. But how? कैसे? I follow the same journey, customer value journey. Level A. At level A, by attraction marketing or group promotion, I reach out to them or they reach out to me. My target audience. Who are my target audience? My target audience are those people who want to earn money online, who make money online, who want to do online business, who want to willing to do online business. So these are my target audience. So once they reach out to me, that's the one level, that's the first level, that is level A. It means they are in the today's condition at level A, and where they want to go at level C, where they can earn online. How they can online? By using my services, by using my product. But before that, as I told you before, there is a level B between A and C. I have to get my customer to the level B, which is the toughest part of your journey. So as an affiliate marketer, what I do to get my customer to the level B, so I listen them, what are their problems, why are they are not willing to do online business, what are the problems facing while doing online business, why are not they make money online. Once I listen all those queries, then I start giving few suggestions to them, few tips to them. Let's suppose I give some ebooks to them for social media marketing experts. I give them few tips regarding Facebook profile optimization, that how they can generate leads while using Facebook. I give them few valuable tips on Instagram, how they can generate leads over there. I give them few tips regarding communication skill, that once the lead is generated, then how they will talk to their customer. I give them few powerful words, few valuable words, so that they can interact with their customer. Till level B, I solve their 20% problem. Means I help them to manage their social media accounts, optimize their social media account. I give them ebooks, I give them few videos, motivational videos to them, which actually works. Now once they reach out at level B, now they start faithing on me, they believing on me. Now it's my time to get their belief right. Now the last level, that is level C, where I start telling them or realize them that what are their goals are, what are they capable of, what are they actual willing to do. So what I do, I start telling them where are you now and where you will go after 5 years. So they will listen to me because they believe on me. And at the end of my conversation, I tell them that yes, there is a product. I have a product by which you solve your complete problem and you can start your online business. This is what all people do. And once your customer believing on you, then he or she will take your product or services. And at last, I do the sales and get the revenue from the customer, and also provide the value again and again and again and again to the customer, more and more, because more the value you provide, more the customer you will get. Because sales is what, when the value is much higher than the price, that's the actual sale is. That's what actual sale is all about. So always provide values to your customer, because there is no substitute of the values. So I hope you understand what is actually the customer value journey is and how it works, how many levels are there, and how I work on customer value journey. I hope you like this video, and guys, please subscribe my Instagram page, that is affiliated.ankit, my TikTok Ankit One Shot. Thank you guys.